Thank you for choosing Moom. Moom uses a process called glazing. Glazing uses a super thin layer of Moom to effectively remove unwanted body hair. Glazing is so gentle to your skin because Moom only adheres to your hair, not your skin. In this video, you'll learn how to move your legs, your underarm, your upper lip, and bikini area. To start mooming, wash and dry your skin completely before application to remove any makeup, oils, or lotions. Warm Moom to a honey consistency by placing the open jar of Moom in center of your microwave unit and heating it for 10 seconds at a time. And you can keep stirring Moom to get the uniform temperature, and it should be honey-like consistency. Moom should not be hot at all, just warm enough to spread. For a longer mooming session, you can use a simple water bath to keep Moom just above room temperature. Here's the Moom secret to soft, smooth, sexy legs. Following the direction of hair growth, apply a paper-thin layer of Moom on the area. Unlike wax, the thinner the layer, the better the results. You can use the edge of your applicator to scrape any excess off. Place Moom fabric strip on top, leaving the end of the strip free for a firm grip. Rub your hand over the strip rapidly a few times to adhere it well. Keeping the strip as close and parallel to the skin as possible, zip off the fabric quickly in the opposite direction. When you're done, Moom is water soluble and easily cleans off with a washcloth and warm water. And as you continue to use Moom over time, your hair regrowth will be finer and more sparse, leaving your legs soft, smooth, and silky. To effectively Moom your underarm, divide the underarm into two sections. Usually the underarm hair grows in two different directions. Work only on half of the area at a time. Starting from the center, spread Moom downwards, evenly and thinly in the direction of the hair growth. Apply Moom in a very thin layer. Place one of these large strips on top, rub it a few times, pull the opposite way. Moom gently removes the hair and its root. Repeat for the upper section as well. You start from the center, apply a very thin layer upwards, place the fabric on top, rub, and then pull the opposite way. If you shaved before, the hairs will grow in many different directions, so make sure you follow the direction of the hair growth. Moom will gently remove the hair and the root as well. To effectively Moom your upper lip, wash and dry skin completely before application to remove any makeup or lotions. Divide the upper lip in 5 sections. Do not Moom the entire area in one application. Start with section 1. Following the direction of hair growth, apply a thin layer of Moom to the skin. Place the strip on top, rub rapidly a few times, and remove the strip the opposite way. To help keep the skin taut for the upper lip area, it is helpful to keep lips taut over teeth or push your tongue against the inside of your lip in the area you're mooming. When done, repeat for all sections for the upper lip. For those coarse stray hairs on the face, apply Moom at room temperature. You don't need to heat Moom. Take a glove, apply it on the hair, and totally immerse it in Moom. Rub the fabric strip on top and pull the opposite way. So for the bikini area, you need to trim the hairs back to about 1/4 of an inch. Open your leg outward to stretch the skin. Apply a paper-thin layer of Moom following the direction of the hair growth. Place the fabric strip on top, rub it a few times. Hold the skin taut with your other hand and pull the strip in the opposite direction. Since Moom fabric strips are washable and reusable for years and years, after mooming, simply rinse them under warm water and lay them on a flat surface to dry. After you're done, make sure you replace the lid of your jar of Moom to preserve the consistency. Be sure no water or humidity enters your jar of Moom. Glazing with Moom is the most effective, pain-free way to get soft, smooth, silky skin. By using 100% organic ingredients, Moom nourishes your skin as it removes the hair. And because Moom pulls the hair from the root, smooth skin lasts up to 8 weeks. The more you Moom, the less you have to move. Thank you, and please send us your Moom success stories.